Okay, everyone, let's continue where we left off earlier this morning. Froze, hold on. There we go. If I remember correctly, it had something to, oh yeah, selecting it when it was something to do with the buttons and selecting them. Okay, yep, that really needs fixed. I can only think of one way, and that is to check if this is empty or not, but I already tried that and that did not work. Let's uncheck top level only and see if that does anything. Hey, imagine that, it fixed it. Okay, it's dead and disabled. Okay. So imagine that problem as simple as unchecking something that wasn't supposed to be checked. God, I love game development. I need to also run a check wherever this first starts. Create HUD, yes, okay, right here. Yep, I'll have a small deal. That should be, well, let's do 0.2 just in case. Okay. I think that should be good. That's wrong because it wasn't. It needs to start disabled. I wonder if I can just do that, but no, that wouldn't work. Something is setting them specifically enabled. Unless I did set them enabled at some point through the widget. Okay, that is disabled. Okay, it should not be enabled right when it's named. No, it does need to be enabled right when it's named because that affects the upper level buttons. Or at least I believe so. That's good. That's not good. So it does need to be enabled right when it's created. I guess we could do a wider delay. Actually, where is the camera stuff here is do once get all widgets of class encounter started. Maybe there's something in an encounter started that I enabled it by. This is not the correct one. Okay, let's see. Nope. I guess I can just toss another check right here. I need to name that specifically selection just in case, so I don't get it confused at some point. We're up here. Okay. Selection. There we go. That's not how you spell it. There we go. So that should have solved my problems. That's good. That's great. Okay, let's see if they reset. Okay, yep, problem fixed. Where did all my windows go? There we go. So let's take a look into particles and see if I can find anything to do with the shape. So we have a material cut out. I don't know what that would be. No, nothing in there, nothing in there, nothing in there, nothing in there. I wonder if there's anything in here. Oh, no, yeah, I definitely don't want that. Mesh? Mesh data? Would that do anything? That's not what I thought would happen. Hmm. What would that look like inside the world? Fascinating. That may actually be what I need for the circle thing I was talking about, though. Let's look for anything else, though. light. I wonder what that would do. Oh, location. If I can walk the location to, ooh, Skeleton Surf. Is this what I want? I have no skeletal mesh. I can forcefully build a skeletal mesh, hopefully. I could probably make a skeletal. You know what? Let's open Blender and see. Let's make a circle. Let's get rid of all this. Shift A. Let's get a circle in here. Let's add some something. Where is it? Okay, looks like I have to figure out geometry. Here we go. I was just blind. Convert that to a mesh. Let's add a skeleton. This will be circle scale. How would I want to do this? Let's just add one going to each side, I suppose. Let's see what this would do for us in the particles. That's not... What is happening? There we go. See if this does anything meaningful. Parent to bone, automatic weights. That's not what I want to do. Pose mode. What happens if I... Yes, that will make for something interesting. Export as an FBX. Files. Game Jam. Here. And it can be Untitled FBX, maybe Circle FBX. That's not what I want to do. Back here. This will be an armature. This will be visible objects. Let's apply the transform. Face. Armature. Get rid of the leaf bones. Export. I guess I'll just plug this into the particles also. Oh. No mesh? Oh, no mesh or animation check. Let's make sure all of it's selected, I suppose. Maybe let's enable leaf bones also, I suppose. I hope I don't have to actually add an animation to this thing. Well, that's sad. So as an animation, I will go to pose mode, make this 100 frames, I suppose. Start at 0, 0, I, GZ, 100. There we go, I have an animation. Will you allow me to do what I desire now? Oh, I actually have a skeletal one. Oh, that's the issue. It can't only be... That's right. It cannot only be armature. It has to have the mesh components and everything. Go about that. Skeleton and for all. That's fine. What? Huh? Guess it was nothing. What was I messing with? Oh, it was this particle, I see. Okay. That's not correct. This. Where did this come? What? Why is this here? Okay, well that's just a weird thing now. I guess I have to live with that. What does that do? Are you doing anything? Okay, guess I misunderstood this. Let's read some things. Surfaces shouldn't need an offset. I kind of thought they would take the shape of the thing. They're not even spawning. How do I get them to spawn? Spawn? More? A lot more? Not that many. That will break everything. Surfaces, offset, maybe a Z offset. Nothing. Oh, valid bones. Do I have to actually... I didn't name any of my bones. What was the default? What is the default name? Bone. Okay. The valid bone is going to be bone. Okay, that didn't do anything. Okay, so that's what it looks like if I don't mess with it. What was the random thing I saw? Where was it? Oh, cylinder. That's probably what I was looking for originally. I need a lot more particles to really see the shape. Let's also change it to, like you were saying. Okay, so let's see if I can edit the shape. Let's make it 1. How does that change? Not quite sure what that one's doing. Positive, yeah. I don't want it to go negative z. Velocity scale. I guess I can toss that up a lot and see. Location. So what I was hoping for is it would give me an inner radius where they would not spawn, but it doesn't look like it. What's orbit? Let's turn the spawn rate down. Okay, can I copy you? I want you in these. Okay, I can't copy you, but I can create a new one. Okay, yeah, so they fly around, but that's way too fast. I want them to fly around a little bit more. Okay, I guess that will work. Okay. They fly around a little bit now. I still need to figure out what to do with you. What is the size of you? Okay, yeah, so unless I also need a material for that to happen, which kinda does make sense. Get rid of the orbit, let's add that random thing wherever it was. Here it was. Oh, no async tick. I should have read that. Is this that's not something no async tick. Um I actually don't know what that is, so I'm going to look it up. UV4 particle no async tick. Yeah, this probably has what I'm looking for unanswered. New to particle system, can confirm, get the same thing. Apply physics. So beam particles don't, okay. So I'll look at the physics settings, see if that helps. Is that a... Ah, probably mesh data, right? Or maybe not. Except unless physics would be in collision somewhere. Okay, did not like that. I won't add that again. Actor collision. No, that doesn't have anything. What all did this say? Let's look at the new one, or a different one. Oh, so apparently there's some type of bug tracker on it. 23.1. Okay, that complicates things. That's an issue. I'll look, I'll click on a few more links and see if any of these have a way to get around it. This is part of an unanswered thing. Nope, nothing there. This one's asking how to approach the problem. Beam count. Nope. No, this is not at all what I thought was. Unless I do add a data beam and see what happens. Something's happening. What is that? Where is it? Whoa, there it is. Okay. Maybe I can get a circle to make with one of these datas. Okay, I'll delete it, sorry. Would it not be as simple as creating a mesh for this? Let's delete these. Uh-oh. If it's as simple as just a mesh, let's delete that, get only the circle. Export FBX, just a mesh. Override whatever that is. Import a mesh. So then could I use that as the particle? Where is it? Mesh data. Particle cube. Okay, it's spawning particles, I just can't see. Okay, no, this is exactly what I wanted. That's great. It's way too large. How do I scale that down? Initial size. I want them to be a uniform size. Constant vector. Let's do 1, 1, 1. Okay, that lowered them a lot. I want to stop the x and y velocity. Zero, 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 zero. Let's take this thing to 100 maybe, and let's crank the number that actually spawns down, like maybe 3. And then I can add a material that is just a bright blue immersive color. And that should give me like a glowy blue thing. Gotta be brighter than that. Okay, that might be a little too bright though. Where did the material go? There's a material somewhere, unless I just add the material directly to the mesh. That will work fine for now. Let's get rid of you. Let's see how it spawns. That's way too big. Size. 0.5 all across the board, I suppose. Or X and Y, the Z still needs to be... Actually, I could make it thinner, maybe. Okay, yeah, that works. Let's, I need it to move I think the initial velocity needs to come down a lot. Is 1 to 50. I should just make it a constant, like a constant of 10. It needs to be more than that. Maybe 50 was the correct number. That's fine for now. I need to move it down. Uh, you viewport. This needs to go. I'll assume that's fine. Okay. Okay, okay. So let's get some actual attacks. I probably want to reorganize this also. Or I could just press AO. Put an O over these to represent that they're options instead of actual attacks. That was a 0. There we go. That's not what I meant to do. That's not what I meant to do. I keep double clicking them by accident. I did a 0 again. That's incorrect. Okay, so physical options. So then I need to come back here and change these masters. There we go. Change these values. This one, that's already 0. That's a 0. And that's fine. That's not fine. Okay. So I'll do attack options. I actually need to change some things in the player since I renamed them. What was I doing? Oh yeah, that's right. Do I need to change these? Category. I might have to. I'll check the character first. Actually, it wouldn't be the character, it would be one of the random widgets I have. Okay, so options. What is options checking? It's checking the name plus options, which is being compared against what? Where are the... Why does the object name return options attached to it? Then that's not correct. Hold up. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Are all the buttons broken? No, they are not. Okay. Okay, it's navigating. So if it's a main option, I see. I am going to add a tooltip to the buttons. Set name. Let's get tooltip also. Tooltip text. I think this one. Which means this needs an input of the description. Description will be a string that's later converted to a tooltip. Okay, so this goes into here, name button. Where's the name at? Right here? No. That's pressed. Where's the spawned? Here it is. Get description. And now if I hover a button, it should hopefully bring up whatever I typed in the description. It does, but that's way too small. Apparently these don't have any. That's fine. I need to find a way to make that way bigger. Actually, I could probably do it somewhere in here. Tool tip. Oh, I could have a tooltip widget which would solve the size issue, which would probably be better if I had to guess. Unless I can do text size. Nope. Size. What would happen if I put these into 10? Because it says image, but I don't have an image. Will that change the whole button? No, it will not. Thought so. Okay. So yep, it looks like I'm going to have to add a tooltip widget. This will be BB battle button tool tip. Wait. And this will be just text. No, there has to be a border around it. But oh, that's not what I meant to do. I need a canvas first. Canvas panel, border, text. I'll make the border size and the appearance be transparent. This will be a tool tip text. No, I need to rename it so I don't get it confused for something else. PBTT text. God, that's a terrible name. Let's anchor you to the middle. 0.5. Tooltip text. The text needs to be a variable. Yep, it's the variable. Custom text, custom event, set text. I can't have it the same names or I'm never going to find it. Oh, I hate that name. And I'm sticking to it now. I've committed. This will be a string. That's not what I meant to do. This will be old text and it will be a string. That's not what I meant to do. Get set text. Set text. Text will be you. You need to come down. I'm probably going to need to lower the size of the text, but I'll get that in a moment. Tool. No, up here. Tooltip widget. Oh, I can't. Did I make that for nothing? I don't want to bind it. Let's see if I can set it here. Tooltip. Oh, I can. Okay. What? No widget. What? That doesn't make sense. Hold up a second. What other widgets are there? Does it want you? No, that's a class. Do I need to expose? Do I need to expose you or something? You're exposed as far as it can get. Hmm. Okay. Okay. I can solve this problem. I'll just create a widget of class. The owning player will be get player controller. Add child. You can't have a child. Sorry, what? Why can you not? Oh, because the text. Oh, the text can't have a child. That's right, text can't have children. Why can text not have children? Okay, I guess it can just... Okay, I won't add it here. I'll add it on hovered, wherever hovered is. No, that wouldn't work. Set tooltip. Nope, that's not what I meant. Okay, I guess it will just be like this. That is so small though. Surely there has to be something within the engine itself. I didn't grab the source code or anything, so I might have to just deal with this. Okay, maybe it's... Oh, I said engine, but selected the project. Hmm. There has to be... set size. Tool tip. Okay, well, maybe if I package it for the browser, it will be slightly bigger in full screen. I need to hope that is readable though. Waiting, waiting. Okay. Nope, that's wrong. It did not like that. My bad. And there we go. Local host. Okay. Where here it is. Okay, let's hope it's readable in full screen. It is readable, but I would love to change it in some way. I guess I can search for UE4 how to change tooltip size. What? Use the set tooltip function. There's a set tooltip function, really? I'd call you a liar. This is why I hate Microsoft Copilot. Google Gemini's not any better. Fast custom tooltip. What did you do to it? What did you do to the tooltip? You sized it. Oh. Okay, so you are using the other widget. I don't want to go through that effort. Maybe as a last minute thing if I have time. But for now, it's readable, so I'll accept that. Let's go back to the button things I had. These open attack menu. Open the magic menu. Open the magic attack menu. What is... Oh, that's the main option. Can't even understand enemy in... Nah. That's correct, I think. Flee, run away, aid a team member, defend against no, that's not correct. Support magic defense. Open magic support menu. Menu. Open physical support menu. Oh, this is terrible. Also, I realized as the other buttons were being made that did not apply the tooltip to those. So I'll need to find where that is. Right here. Get description. Description. Okay, there we go. Is there another one? No, no, there is not. Okay. So those have tooltips, so do those, so do those, and that does. Okay. That will work for now. Let's... Don't save you, okay. Let's get more attacks. Attack options, let's... Okay, can't type it. That sucks. Then asset. Player battle actions. This will be physical attack slash slashing attack will do 20 action value. I'll have slash be 10. I'll duplicate you. You will be stab or pierce. How do you spell Pierce? Pierce, that's incorrect. How do you spell Pierce? Action. IE. Or maybe definition. Yeah, it's IE, not EI. There we go. And you will do 20, which will put you at appearance order 8. Is that the correct one I want to change? No, it is not. It's index number 8. That one needs to stay 7. This one needs to be 8. Index number 8, index number 9. Then I'll do that's physical. I need magic ones now. In a fire bolt. This will be 9. This will do 20. No, this actually needs to be 10. 20 at the cost of 10. Or 10 at the cost of 10, I suppose. So 2 physical attacks, I need 2 magic attacks. What would be the name of another magic attack? Ice Spike. This will be 11. Let's just do this 20 at the cost of 20. Okay, got attacks. So, for options. What was I doing? Oh yeah, that's right. PDA, this one. This will be physical. I can't read. Why can I? There you go. Physical support. Defend. Ugh, don't like that name. 12. The action value will be 0. The mana cost will be 0. I need some kind of modifier action. Modifier value. Float. The modifier value will be 0.2. Does this not have a category? These don't have category names. Support main attack category. These could go into the attack. No, this would be physical attack. Physical attack. Magic attack. Physical. slash okay, slash the enemy for 10 damage. Does not, modifiers not included. Modifiers not include. That might send the wrong idea. Ten damage without modifiers. 10 without modifiers damage, okay. What was the name of this button? Pierce for 20. This will be Firebolt. Cast a Firebolt at the enemy for 10 damage. That's not how you spell damage. Let's get this part also. Damage without I should probably and 10 mana without modifiers. I'm just going to copy this. This is 20 ice. Nope. Ices like. I'm just going to leave it like that for now. Okay. So event button pressed, it applies effects. That means I need to now add. Oh, no, I don't. That's because it's in here. And nope. This one? Yeah. Oh. No, the alphabetized are not. Okay, I'll just make it work. They're not they're alphabetized, but in the wrong way. There we go. Let's, where am I? Oh, I guess I can just search. Sure, firebolt first. So if it's main options or the button add to object name is the same as the battle option that is selected. Category name equal to button name. So firstly, we'll check if it's a flea. Secondly, it will check if what are you checking? Why do you scramble my brain trying to figure out what this own thing is? Whatever it is, it will set it to false. Oh, it checks all the open menus and set them to false. I see. That makes sense. Or not set them to false, hide them rather. Let's push you over there. Okay, so I need to redo you. Button name will never equal the category name with the new changes. You know what? Maybe it will. I can see what happens. Maybe I've magically figured it out. Nope, I did not. This applies the attack. Where does it apply the attack? Right here. I need to grab this, push this back. That's not. I'm in the wrong thing. I need to. Oops. I'm meant to be in this one. Button name, construct. Okay, so it should never have children. So I need to construct the new things. Category name will never be equal to the button name for this last part. So I guess I'll just check if it's physical attack or magical attack. There it is. If category name is I'll create these with a button of that. Okay, hopefully this works. You attack is oh, it skipped the selection. Oops. That's not correct. Why did it skip the selection? Because of you, I see. You do need to be category name, because this will give me the physical and magical options. Ooh, that's not supposed to be selected. There we go. So once the physical and magical are selected, so it's actually inside the button that needs to be changed. Button pressed. Oh, nope, I'm wrong. If they didn't fully. Okay, I need a new one of these. Oh, attack? Where did it go? Right there. I was just checking if it's equal to the object name, which I forgot to add more of these. How could I be so stupid? Attack options, duplicate. I understand now. Right. Which one's this one? So it needs to be aligned like right there. Oh, that's wrong. Oops. Let's reset the alignment. Okay. Y up. X sideways. So that should be about right there. This equals that. So that should give me the old options I've had. Um, I... Ooh, that's not good. What wrong did I do this time? I guess I set that equal to, but that should be equal to, so... What was I thinking when I made it like this? So this is category name equal category equal category. Come on, up a little bit. There we go. Fix my problem, please. There we go. That will create this. So once they're created, I need a new boolean to check if I need to also pass this through here. I need to check if category name is equal to I could make it, I don't think that would work though. Category name is equal to attack physical. Oh, this is going to get so long. I'm pretty sure I can take all of this. Hold up a minute, that ain't correct. That's not at all what I'm supposed to do. I want to or you not being set, you are not being set. So I need to set you to something else. There. This checks that. If it's something plus options. It's all spaghetti. Plus object to name. Okay, object to name of that. Okay, so it sets the option, then it checks if it's main menu. Then it will see if it has children. If it does not have children, if it does, okay. So rather it does, or rather it doesn't. I need another. Oh, this is terrible. I'm placing another check here. I'm going to just continue this terrible mess of a cycle. I was thinking of a way out of it, but could not find one. If category name is equal to this value up over here, what value are you? Category. If relief category is equal to category. No, that makes total sense. Yeah, okay. Oh, hope this works. That it did not like that. Never mind. Target. I don't know how I unhooked you. That ain't correct. So where does it check if the button is equal to category name? Hold up somewhere. Right here. Attack, physical, attack, no, that doesn't work. What type of delusion was I drinking when I made this? This is the worst thing I have ever seen. Okay, let's get rid of this. Let's start from the top. When pressed, it will apply the effects, which send it to the player. That's a little strange. Maybe. If it being right there, it'll check if it's flee. If it is flee, it will flee. If it's not, it will select the options that's equivalent to the... Okay, so I need... Where's my array? Where's my array? Here it is. So I need to add this to it. And maybe that will work. Maybe that's the thing I was missing. No, that was not the thing I was missing. So I have that added to it. So that added, that will set that array. It will select the one that's equivalent, and then it will check if it's a main menu, if it's not, or a main options. If it's not, it will check if it has children. If it does have children, something will happen. If it doesn't, it will create buttons within here. So this loop, this should be a loop that continues. I don't know why it, unless I have the category name mixed up here, category name with, I need to stop doing that. This category name with this value, which is the button name. I see. Category name equals button, that will not work anymore. So it will need to be what would I replace that with? Category name equals button. Well, I found the issue and it's right here. Did I add these to here? Yeah, I did. Okay, maybe I can get away with just typing it. Or physical attack, rather. Okay, no, that completely skipped those options. I see that. I did that earlier. So if the player clicks the one, it will name the button. I somehow created an eldritch horror that I cannot even understand, and I'm starting to lose my sanity just staring at it. Let's see this. This will be true number 1. This will be true number 2. Let's see if any of these come up. So that's good that this one came up. So these should be set equal regardless, unless there's an issue with this for some reason. There shouldn't be because I duplicated it. Why is it run twice? Nope. So I don't think the issue is rather the spawning. There's something that's applying the effect without me wanting it to. That will apply it regardless. Apply button pressed. Add to, yeah. Has any children? No, didn't add them. If it does, then it will show it. Has no children. Create the children. Yeah, there has to be something else that's not quite right with the applying. No, that seems fine over there. Is there something within the player? No, that retrieves it that array, so it wouldn't affect that. Okay, I think the issue is right here. So it'll check if it's attack and the button name is equal to the pressed button, and then this needs to be let's put an or right here, I guess. if it's physical or that and that. What did I name the other one? Magical. Okay. I hope that's spelled correctly. And that actually just destroyed everything. Hold up. Where does the hello come in from? What failed on me? This. This failed, okay. So that means it was never set correctly, so it couldn't spawn. But why was it not set correctly? I have view in the array. Unless I have to add the magical ones also. I guess that could be a possibility. Or something could be spelt wrong. I should probably copy this and paste it into here to make sure it's spelled correctly. And there we go, and right there. Anywhere else I need it to be. Oh, wait, what's this? Okay, that's just creating the main one. Flee, la-di-dee, la-di-da, main, if not, category. That's right, that's an issue with that. So I can get that by having no variance on the physical or magic. Oh. Oh, Pirate Software Game Jam, so do you have to make your own game that you have to cheat on? Well, yeah, obviously, can't you tell? I mean, I would assume that that's like the whole point, right? I also managed to make an Eldritch Horror while I'm at it. So terrible. Ooh, that's funky. What's happening with the chat box? Ooh, I'm going to pretend that that's not happening. Oh well. Um, you know what? I think I have to just fully rebuild and get this thing. I'm actually not going to do that tonight, though. I'll do that tomorrow morning. So then, yeah, I'm done for the day then. See you all, yeah, sometime tomorrow.